속도 계약에.
Side snap kick. Again, the striking surface is the edge of your foot.
First of all, knee to bring up, and your foot touch the other knee. And keep knees out to the side, and keep bend body a little bit low. When you kick, just like a front snap kick, knees up first, foot start out, but do not rock your knee. You have to get a little bit bend, so snap back quickly. One more time, snap out and back and down. You met.
The side snap, though less powerful than the side thrust, can be executed quickly in response to a sudden attack.
You met.